Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can add a collaborator into Airtable. So first up you have to open the base in which you want to add collaborator. Then you have to press this share button on the top right corner, and here you can create a link and you can send an invite link to the person that you want to share the base with, or you can share it publicly. You can enable this button so that anybody with the link can access the base. But if you create an invite link, let's say that you have a person that you would like to share the base with, so you press this create link button, and here you have to add editor permissions so they can collaborate, but they're not the creator, so they cannot fully configure, but they can just add edit records but cannot configure tables. And you can then allow who can access, so allow any email address, or you can specify email addresses. So the person you want to share with has this email address, for example. You can add their email here, and now the base will only be shared with those people. And then you have to press this create link button, and it will generate a link. You can copy this link and you can share it with the person, and that person will be able to access the board. The other way is to invite them by email. You enter the email of the person you want to add to your base as a collaborator, and you select them, and you check this box that says invite to my first workspace, and you add them as an editor again, and you press invite button, so an invite will be sent to them. So this is how you add a collaborator into Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you on the next one.